How to change bank account on Zelle. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change bank account on Zelle app. So for that case, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to go ahead and log into your Zelle app. And when you logged into your account, then you have to go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and from the account section you can go ahead and change your debit card by selecting switch account, and you'll have the option to select from list of bank and credit unions. If you don't see your bank, you can just simply go ahead and type in the one, and then you can go ahead and add the bank account that you wish to switch with and click on go to your bank app, or just go to banking app in order to link or in order to sync your account with the Zelle, and accordingly you've successfully added or switched your bank account on Zelle app. So that's how you can change your bank account in Zelle app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.